All right, older mower here, but operates good. It is a heavy-duty commercial grade snapper rider Z. Okay, it's got the joystick up there and fabricated 61-inch deck. Still got the casters on it and everything. Does not have a grass chute over on that side. Nice big front casters with the rocker arm for smoother ride. It's got the big fat back wheels with the heavy-duty drive system. Nice fat stance, and it's got the commercial grade. This is a 27 horsepower Kohler Command Pro. Runs good. The only issue this mower has, which is a small one and can probably be fixed, I just haven't even messed with it, is the blades don't really want to engage when you're at full speed. So you have to idle it down a little bit and then engage. Of course, when you're idled down, the deck's a little wobbly because they're not really meant to engage at low speed. But you can rev it right back up and you're good to go. That's probably an easy fix. Like I said, I haven't messed with it. If it stops this thing from selling, I'll fix it and probably raise the price a little bit. Got headlights on here. They both work. The hour meter, it's a old style hour meter. Who knows if it's right or wrong? It reads 572 hours. I'll fire this bad boy up for you. Let's see. Gotta have this e-brake on. Not smoking or rattling or anything like that. I'll idle it down for you. Rev it back up. Okay, so I'll show you. Just be about midway, I think, to engage these blades. Maybe a little lower. You can just rev it right back up. Great blade tip speed, good ground speed, super comfortable to sit in. The seat's real comfortable and the placement for the feet. All you need is a cup holder and you can drive this thing one-handed. Take that e-brake off, or it's really a control locker. Deck height adjustments right here. I'll lower it down. A little bit more. So we can be sure and see some cutting. A little bit right here. Back up. Nice clean cut. Good old mower right here, heavy duty.